Hi, I'm Ed Sushine, the owner of Cincinnati Maintenance, and welcome to our shop. Today I want to talk about wicking, what it is, and how to solve it. Wicking is when there's a spot on the backing of the carpet, and when the carpet gets wet, it actually pulls that spot to the surface. You may have some stubborn stains around your home. You may have tried cleaning them before, only to notice that they've come back maybe 1 or 2 days later. The reason for the spots reoccurring could be one of two things. It could be too much water being added to the carpet, causing the wicking, or it could actually be a residue that is left on the surface that has not been broken free from the fiber. At Cincinnati Maintenance, we use a low moisture cleaning process that prevents this wicking action from happening 90% of the time. If you happen to be dealing with stubborn stains or spots in your own home and you just can't seem to resolve them, feel free to give us a call or visit us online at cincinnatimaintenance.com.